If you can, please print out the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. To compare decimals, we need to know this symbol first. So first of all, this symbol here is less than. And this one here is less than or equal to. And this one here is greater than. And greater or equal. So if you cannot remember this, you can always use a trick. Always point to the smaller number if you like. So let's do a few examples. Insert less than or greater than to make the following statements too. So for example, first one, 0.09 and 0.04. To do this, first we compare from the place value. So the first one is units, so both are 0. And we're comparing the 10, so they're equal, both 0. And we compare this, 9 and 4. So 9 is larger. So 0.04 is less than 0.09. Otherwise, as long as you know the 0.04 is less than, so just point to the smaller number. So this is it. Next one. So 0.18 and 0.24. So these place values here. So the unit, both 0. So the same. So we compare the tenth values. So this is 10 or 1 and this is 2. So of course 2 is greater than. So therefore 0.18 is less than 0.24. So we're pointing to the smaller number. So 0.18 is less than 0.24. Third one. So 1 and 1 is the same. So they're equal. And we need to compare next one. So the tens, so both are 1. So which is equal. And the tens, now the hundreds and this hundredth. So which is both are 8. So it's the same. So now remember, nothing behind 8, that means can be 0. Okay, so 0 and 4 if you like. Otherwise, so this is nothing after 8 and it is 4. So therefore, 1.184 is greater than 1.18. So this is, so pointing to the smaller number if you like. Or 1.18 is less than 1.184. So now please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first one. So 1.09 and 1.90. So we compare the unit, so they're the same. 0 and this is 9. Of course, 9 is greater than 0. So therefore, 1.09 is less than 1.90. So remember, pointing to the smaller number if you like. Second one, 23.18, 23.179. So both are 23 and you look at 1 and 1 here. And these 100 values, this is 8, this is 7. So therefore 8 is greater. So therefore 23.18 is greater than 23.179. So in another word, 23.179 is less than 23.18. So we're pointing to the smaller number. Third one, 0.018 and 0.104. So first one and the same and 0 here and this is 1. So 1 is larger than 0. So therefore 0.078 is less than 0.104. So we're pointing to the smaller number. Number 4. 14.180. This one here is 14.2. So both are 14. And then this is the 10th place is 1 and this is 2. Of course, 2 is larger than 1, so therefore 14.180 is less than 14.2. So this is the answer. Next one. Write these following numbers in ascending order. Now, ascending order is writing from the lowest number to the highest. So, first one, we have to, so step number 1, we have to write down the smallest number first, because ascending order means write from the smallest number to the largest. So, 0.12, so we just look at the place values on the 10th. So 2, of course, we don't want that one yet. And 0, of course, this one is greater than 0.04. And then 1.05, of course, the smallest number now here is 0.04. That is the first number, right? And then we cross this out. We don't want this anymore. Now 0.12. And then this is 2, 1, so therefore we don't want that one. And then this is 1.5, of course, 1.5 larger. So the next number is 0.12. So now we cross this one out. And what's left is 1.05. Now the numbers are ascending order. So now the numbers are in ascending order, or from lowest to highest. Second one, so to write this from smallest number to the largest number, so they're all 8 point something, right? So now we compare the tens values. So this is 0, this is 2, so we don't want that. And this is, we don't want that. And 6, we don't want that. And then 1, so which is, we don't want that either for now. So therefore, the smallest number now is 8.02. So now these numbers are left behind. From these 4 numbers, we're going to write down the smallest one here. So the 0.2, 0.1, 0.6, 0.1. So now this is obviously we don't want that one. So this one's not. So now we compare the next one. So the next one we need to compare is 2. See? And then this is 5. So 2 is smaller. So therefore 8.124 is smaller than 8.155. So we just write this down. 8.124. So we write this down now. So we just cross this out first. So now we keep comparing. So 8.20 and then 8.155. Of course, the 2 and the 1. So this is smaller. So therefore 8.155. So now this number here, of course, 8.2 and 8.6. 8.2 is smaller, so we write 8.2 and then 8.20, sorry. And then the next one is 8.60. Now please stop the video and try this one yourself. Write the following numbers in descending order. So descending order is you write the number from the largest to the smallest. So please try this one yourself. First one, we have 0.9, 0.72, 0.709 and 0.95. So we know that we need to write from largest number to the smallest. So 0.9 and 0.9 here. These two numbers is the largest. But then this is 0.95. This is 0.9. So therefore 0.95 is the largest. Now we have 0.9 and 0.7, 0.7. So therefore 0.9 is the largest among these three. So now we cross this out. So 0.7 and 0.7 here. And then this is 2 and we compare to the 100, so which is 0. So therefore 0.72 is larger. So we write this down, 0.72. And then we got that one out of the way. So now what's left is 0.709. Second one. So we have 6.0, 6.0, 6.1. Of course, 6.1 is larger. And this is 5. So smallest, so 6.0 as well. So this 6.1 is the largest. So we write 6.1. And this number gone. So now we have 6.0 and 6.0, 6.0 as well. So now we need to compare the 100. So 6.09 and this is 0 and this is 9. So both here the same. So this is smallest. So now 6.09 and this is 6.095. So 6.095 is larger. So 6.095. So this is gone. And now the largest one among these three numbers is 6.09 because this is 6.009. So then the largest one is 6.09 among the three numbers. So now 5.99 and 6 of course is larger. So we just write 6.0 and 09. And the last number is 5.99. Now these numbers are in descending order from largest to smallest. Last question. Now 28, 28, 28, 28, they're all the same in 10 and units. Now we compare the tens value. So 0 here, 1. So 1 and 1. So we need to compare this to 3 numbers further. So now this one, 28.1, of course smaller because we have 28.12 and 28.121. So 28.121 is the largest. So which is 28.121. Now, we left with this 4 here. So we know that this is smallest number. And then 28.12. And this is only 28.1. So 12 is the second largest. So we write it down. 28.12. And 28.1. So that's a third largest. So 28.1. And then we have 28.091 and 28.090. So this is larger. So we write this down. So 28.091. So now what's left is 28.090. So 28.090. Thank you so much for watching my videos.